Hello, my name is Luigi Kimis. I am student civil engineering. I am from University of Manali. Well, today we are going to take some examples of parasol verbs. Let's go. We are also meeting or child. You I sit down como up and head up. Soy sit down and head up. Submitting I will one. I trigger for up. So being me, here you can I see cars. You have to carry this car, or you can also go up. So today I see like Sony I top. My me I short I phone I high up. When I go outside, it was electric cloud. So it told you about taking a year off hub. Your time I do close to you. Maybe I order like I don't going back. Indeed you notice I think I won't wear this pen. If ties hurt, a boy let go. It fast. And if you click, I pick up.
Hello, my name is Dixon Abrigo, and I student civil engineer at the Southern University of Manabi. Well, today we're going to write some exam parasol verbs. Let's go. Is the exercise in the age take water. Please fill on the form. I am looking for me cage. Put on your jackets in the cold. If I let go and backpack in the wheel spray, put in the time up, it have in the again.
Hello, my name is Jordan. I am a student civil engineer at the Southern University of Manabi. Today we go to guide some examples of parasol verbs. Let's go. I am Kali of my friend today. I am Kali of my father. I am to the gate of the plant. When I am here, if tour around, I am can see to the road and if we go wrong again, I can see